Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 13B of chapter 13, time and work. One question is written here. Question number 1. A alone can do a piece of work in 10 days and V alone can do it in 15 days. In how many days will A and V together do the same work? So students, first of all, A can do a piece of work in 10 days. So A is 1 day's work. A is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 10. Now B alone can do it in 15 days. So B is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 15. Now A plus B is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 equal to LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. 10 3 ja 30, 1 3 ja 3 plus 15 2 ja 30, 1 2 ja 2 equal to 5 by 30, 5 6 ja 30 equal to 1 by 6 work. Therefore, total time taken by A plus B. Total time taken by A plus B equal to 1 by 6 change into 6 days. Answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 3 written on this board. In question number 3, A can do a job in 16 days and V can do the same job in 12 days. With the help of C, they can finish the job in 6 days only. Then C alone can finish eating. Students, A can do a job in 16 days. So find A's 1 day's work. A's 1 day's work is 1 by 16. B's 1 day's work, B can do the same job in 12 days. So 1 by 12. Now find A plus B's. A plus B's 1 day's work. So 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12. LCM of 16 and 12 is 48. 16 3 are 48. So 3 plus 12 4 are 48 plus 4. So 7 by 48. Now find, with the help of C, they can finish the job in 6 days only. With the help of C, they can finish the job in 6 days only. So A plus B plus C is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 6. Now find siege 1 day's work. So therefore siege siege 1 day's work. A plus B plus siege 1 day's work 1 by 6. A plus B is 1 day's work 7 by 48. So siege 1 day's work equal to 1 by 6. A plus B plus siege 1 day's work minus A plus B is 1 day's work 7 by 48. LCM of 6 and 48 is 48. 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. So 8. 48 1s are 48. Minus 7 1s are 7. Equal to 1 by 48. Therefore, total time taken by C alone equal to 1 by 40 changing to 48. 48 day answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 5 is written on this board. In this question, A works twice as fast as V. A works twice as fast as V. If both of them can together finish a piece of work in 12 days, then V alone can do 18. Students, let V is 1 day's work. Let B is 1 day's work equal to X. Let V is 1 day's work equal to X. Then A is 1 day's work equal to 2X. Because A works twice as fast as B. So let B is 1 day's work X. Then A is 1 day's work 2X. Now A plus B is 1 day's work. I have given if both of them can finish a piece of work in 12 days. So A plus B is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 12. 1 by 12. A plus B is 1 day's work is 1 by 12. Now according to question, A plus B is 1 day's work. So X plus 2X equal to 1 by 12. That implies X plus 2X equal to 3X. 3X equal to 1 by 12. That implies X equal to 1 by 12. 3 by transposition, here multiply by transposition changing to divide. So 12 into 3 equal to 1 by 36. That implies X means B is 1 day's work. So B is 1 day's work. B is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 36. Therefore, time taken by B alone equal to 1 by 36 changing to 36 days. answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 6 written on this board. In this question, A alone can finish a piece of work in 10 days, which V alone can do it in 15 days. If the work together and finish it, then out of total wages of rupees 3,000, so A will get. Here we have to find the wages of A. A can do finish a piece of work in 10 days. So A's 1 day's work. A's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 10. B's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 15. Now, ratio of the wages of A and B. Ratio of the wages of A and B equal to 1 by 10 ratio 1 by 50. 1 by 10 ratio 1 by 15 equal to 1 by 10. Ratio means divide. Divide change into multiply. So 1 by 10 equal to 1 by 15 change into 15 by 1. So 5 to the 10 and 5 3 the 15 equal to 3 by 2. That equal to 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. So let A's wage equal to 3 years and B's base equal to 2 years. According to question, A's base 3 years plus B's base 2x equal to rupees 3,000. That implies 3x plus 2x, 5x equal to 3,000. That implies x equal to rupees 3,000 by 5 equal to rupees 600. Therefore, find A will get A's wage equal to 3x equal to 3 into rupees 600. That means rupees 1,800 answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 8. It is last question today. Students, in this question, A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. B and C can do it in 20 days, while C and A can do it in 15 days. A, B and C all working together can do it in. Here find the days, working days of A, B and C. So A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. So A plus B is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 12. B plus C is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 20. Now last C plus A is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 15. Now add it. A plus B and B plus C plus C plus A is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 15. 1 by 15. That implies A plus A 2A, B plus B 2B, C plus C 2C. So 2 is common. In bracket A plus B plus C 1 day's work equal to LCM of 12, 20 and 15 is 60. 12 5 is 60, so 5. 23 is 60, so 3. And 15 4 is 60, so 4. Equal to 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 12. 12 by 60. 12 5 is 60. Equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5. That implies A plus B plus C 1 day's work. 2A multiplied by transposition is changed into divide. So 1 by 5 into 2 equal to 1 by 10. Now, therefore, total time taken by A plus B plus C equal to 1 by 10 change into 10 days. Answer. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 13B, question number 1 to 8. Thank you. That's all.